Welcome to our free open course on exploring the world of Qi, presented by Shengxuan Daoism. Perhaps you have only heard of the concept of Qi. Maybe someone told you that it's a kind of energy, or you've already tried one of our Qi activation practice videos. In any case, congratulations! This open course is designed to take you deeper into the world of Qi. This is not a 10-minute trick to master Qi. Qi in the Daoist tradition is part of a vast, profound, and mysterious system of embodied knowledge and practice. Hence, while this course does teach useful methods for activating and applying Qi, its real value is in offering a gateway beyond theory into a new way of understanding, experiencing, and interacting with the world. This is why our curriculum integrates theory with practice. It's organized into 3 modules. Each of the 3 modules begins by clarifying a common misconception of Qi, and then introduces a practical method to anchor that understanding in lived experience. So why this course? What will you gain? We created this course to offer a systematic way for you to access Daoist theory and practice. While similar practices exist elsewhere, many reduce Daoist cultivation to mere techniques, detached from the deeper theoretical and embodied framework. That not only misses the point, it can even deviate and lead to harm. We want this open course to serve as a proper introduction, not just to Qi, but also to the Daoist worldview as a whole. We want to offer you a more systematic lens through which to study, explore, and eventually begin your own cultivation journey, if you choose. This aligns with our vision at Shengxuan Daoism, to offer a path of cultivation that is knowable, learnable, practicable, and verifiable. Even if you're not ready to dive deeper into formal Daoist cultivation yet, developing Qi sensitivity helps you reconnect with yourself and the subtle layer of the world. The world of Qi has always been there. Qi is not fictional. The ability to perceive it is natural to all humans, but aging and modern life tends to numb it. Fast-paced living, constant distractions, and stress can all block our perception of the inner and outer energy. Many people feel perfectly fine until they suddenly discover a late-stage illness. That kind of numbness is dangerous. Learning to activate Qi sensation is a way to restore awareness, to reconnect with yourself and the living world. This class uses a unique theory practice blend to help you gain practical skills while deepening your understanding of the world of Qi. If you haven't registered for the course yet, you can find the link in the description below. If you're already enrolled, feel free to share your practice experience in the video comments. We hope you enjoy the course. Let's begin exploring together the world of Qi.